Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to unlock your iPhone iCloud activation locked iPhone device bypass using Unlock Bypass software. This tool supported iPhone XR to 17 Pro Max till iOS version 26.3. Make sure to watch until the end and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Let's get to the video. Okay, now let's get started by opening our Unlock Bypass software. You know, I've already made a video showing how to install it, so if you haven't seen that one yet, just head into the channel, watch the first video and you can download it onto your computer. Now, once you open the software, you'll see we need to connect our phone to the computer with a USB cable. We'll connect the locked iPhone directly to the computer. Okay, I've connected my phone. As you can see here, when I connect it, the phone's name, serial number, IMEI, version, and activation status appear. My phone's iOS version is 26.2. Right now, the activation status is locked because my phone is iCloud locked. The good news is, the status shows that this software supports this version, so we can immediately bypass the lock now. This might take a few minutes, so we need to be patient. Crucially, we should not unplug the phone from the computer until it's completely finished doing its thing. Just keep the cable connected until it tells you it's all done. Also, if you check your phone and it says the software doesn't support iOS 26.4 right now, just keep an eye out for an update. They'll be making changes to the software to support these newer versions soon, so please wait patiently. And if your phone is supported, you can come directly to our Telegram channel and register your serial number. Once that's done, you just download the software onto your computer and bypass the lock like this. Okay, so now, as you can see, my phone has been successfully unlocked. The bypass is complete and it's done. And you can easily unlock your phone in the same way. Just come and download the software, check your phone, and if it's supported, it will tell you. If it's not, it will say unsupported. If it is supported, come straight to our Telegram channel, register your serial number, and unlock your phone. We thank you and stay safe. Bypass Unlock Software Team.